Very good morning, all the students of third standard. We are learning third standard social study. This one we are learning Unit 3 Important Cities. We have got the information about the important cities. See, before that, some previous lessons question answers are remaining. Chapter number 2 was civic amenities question answers are remaining. Question number 1, I told question number 2 answer the following questions. Name two functions of the Gram Panchayat. Is remaining two functions. So what is there? Already I have started the video, so I will tell oral answer of this name, these questions. Name the two functions of the Gram Panchayat. See here. What are the works are there of the Gram Panchayat? We can see provision of water supply including clean drinking water. It is work of a Gram Panchayat. Here you get the answers. 2 points are here. 2 points you have to write from this. Provision of water supply including clean drinking water facility, we can see. Next, building of new roads, building of new roads, repairing the old ones and repairing the old ones, and provisions of the street lighting. This is also our answer, we can say. Name two types of taxes levied by the municipal council. Two type of taxes. Property tax and water tax or road tax, we can say the answers. Taxes, two types are there. Many types of taxes are there. Out of the two examples are given here. For your answers, I will tell that. Many are here on the page number 17. Property tax, water tax, road tax, such etc. Different taxes are there that we have to pay. Next question, name the two functions of a municipal council. Two functions we have to explain of municipal councils there. What is there? Two functions of the municipal councils. To build a public park and playground. To build public park or the playgrounds. To supply electricity to homes and industries. To be supply of electricity to home and industries. You will get answers. To supply of electricity to home and industries, and along with that, to maintain law and order also we can write. to maintain law and order. In this way, these are the answers of it. Name two ways in which you can be of help to your panchayat or municipality. Name two ways. Two different ways are there in which you can be of help to your panchayat or municipality. How we can help to the municipality or to the panchayat? Not to throw garbage on the street. First thing, that not to be throw garbage on the street. It is first one. Not damage public property. It is second one. And not to be damage the public property. It is the second one. Or also we can say there, not to waste water or electricity. So in this way, these are some answers here. One notebook is there of some of the students, that so I will make you can see the answers. These are the answers of the previous students has written. Some mistake is here, spelling mistake. Answers you will get. See, two types of taxes of the municipality. Here you will get the answers. Where you will get the answers? Here. Property tax, water tax, road tax. It is our this answer. First question answers. Name two functions of the municipality there or municipal councils. Two functions here. Two functions providing the maintenance and the means of public transport there, to supply of electricity to the home and industry there, to be build the public paths and the playground, to be maintain law and order. These are the answer of it. Name the two ways in which we can be held to the Panchayat Samiti or municipality. So here we can see the answer of it. Not to throw garbage on the streets, not to damage a public property, or not waste water or electricity. In this way our answer is there. Here is one question. Name two functions of a Gram Panchayat. Two different functions of a Gram Panchayat. Any two functions. What is the functions of the Gram Panchayat there? To be supply of water, provisions of water supply, including the clean drinking water. This is there to be provide hygiene, cleanliness, village there. What they will do? They will improve the agricultures, sinking wells, the hygiene of the cleanliness of the village. They have to provide such kind of essentials, responsible facilities they have to be provided. So in this way, these are the answers of the questions, of some questions there. You write in your notebooks. When we will come tomorrow or day after tomorrow on Monday, then we will come with the next 13 lessons. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.